Oh, Aloysius, servant brave and true, was like was born in all you chose to do. From praise to pauper, humble was your way. You showed the world how faith and love must be. Now in your steps we place our destiny to rise, to serve and make our lives complete.
In Castle's Eye and Marble House, a noble child was born. But little did his father know, he'd break traditions for. Aloysius was the boy of courage strong and rare, who left behind the crown of gold for the robes of humble prayer.
He watched the world with quiet eyes, while others chased delight. He found his joy in whispered prayers, in candles burning bright. He fasted, served, and studied deep, so strange for one so small, yet even then God's voice he heard, a higher, deeper call.
Be a soldier, cried his father, ride and rule with pride. But Aloysius stood his ground, with Christ alone as guide. No swords I'll raise, nor throne shall sit, I choose a simpler grace, to serve the poor, to heal, to love, to walk the holy race.
He gave up title, land and name, the riches of his kin, to wear the cloth, to clean the wounds, to lift the once worn thin. A prince turned servant in his teens, with vows of solemn peace. He stepped into the Jesuit life, where earthly honors the seas.
Oh, Aloysius, servant brave and true, was like was born in all you chose to do.
With inks in hands and books in arms, he studied without rest. But knowledge wasn't for his pride, he sought to give his best. He battled sin within his soul, more fierce than any war. For sins are made not in applause, but kneeling on the floor.
He begged to serve the poorest man, the sick, the old, the lame, and found in the wreck bleeding hand, the Lord he loved by name. He touched the wound no one would touch, he kissed the dying face, for in the broken and the lost, he saw amazing grace.
Then darkness fell, the plague had come, and death walked every street. But Aloysius didn't run, he rose on fearless feet. He fed the weak, he bore the load, he stayed when all had fled. He wiped the tears of strangers' eyes and prayed beside their bed.
The sickness found him weak and pain, but joy was in his eyes. I have lived, he said, serve my Lord. Now I shall touch the skies. At just 23, he passed the candles spent in love, received by angels, wrapped in peace, crowned in light above.
Oh, Aloysius, servant brave and true, was like was born in all you chose to do.
He never led a mighty war or ruled a mighty land, yet heaven called him saint because of love in every hand. His greatness was not loud or proud, nor draped in red or gold, but in the quiet, faithful step the saint have always stood.
Today we call him patron, friend, protector of the youth, a light for those who choose the path of courage, love and truth. He whispers to those who doubt, be brave, be kind, behold, the crown of heaven isn't far. He carves into your soul.
So what of us in the modern times in uniform we wear? Will we choose kindness every day? Will we stand strong? Will we forgive? Will we protect the weak? Or we will let the world go by, too scared to even speak?
Oh, Aloysius, show us how to live with strength and grace, to walk with God, to shine with hope in every time and place. Not all are called to wear the robe, but we can live your way, to love without reward or fame, to serve and stay.
Oh, Aloysius, saint of you.